guys, today is Wednesday, July 26th. I'm doing a recap on price action on the ES. We are using our CoPilot here, our V4 CoPilot with the default settings for ES. We also have the V4 squeeze, and I have just a Ichimoku here showing bare minimum there with just the cloud and the Kijins. Let's go ahead and start at our open. Had a nice squeeze here. Price come out of the squeeze, coming to the cloud. Came down here, we had an edge signal. And we had our first entry right here. This price came up to the Cinco span via the cloud. Boom, a nice auto entry by CoPilot. Nice trade there. The next trade entry is here. CoPilot fires here. Of course, when we do these trades, we basically, when we enter these trades, we will guard behind the V4 squeeze right here, the squeeze zone that you see. Nice trade worked out there. We got another entry here. Nice trade there. We got another entry here, and immediately an reversal here, so pulling up your stop loss, getting into a nice bearish trade here. That works out very well. Coming all the way down here, pulling your stop behind your stacked imbalances, coming in and getting in a reversal trade. Again, you can see every position worked very well throughout the day here. Very nice day on the ES. CoPilot just knocking them out. Guys, great price action here. Great signals from CoPilot. Hey guys, thank you very much. We appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.